Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this smart air conditioner controller Wi-Fi thermostat. It also controls TVs, set-top boxes, and any other Bluetooth devices. Alright, so we got this smart air conditioner controller Wi-Fi thermostat. It is an IR remote with temperature and humidity sensor. So this uses a Wi-Fi 2.4 Hertz. It does not use a 5 Hertz. So it's got a 7-day thermostat, high and low. You got no hub required voice control. It's got a remote control, IR learning. So this does work with Alexa. And then you've got your technical specs right here, the power, the connectivity, IRs. You've got the humidity accuracy, your working time. So let's just dive into the box and see what we do get inside with this. So this is originally for an AC controller. It works with Google Assistant and Alexa Amazon. It has a temperature display, auto scheduling, geoforce technology, fan control, auto changeover. So this one here is the instructions manual, basically letting you know how to connect it. It turns your old AC into a smart AC. The smart thermostat for homes with an app is designed for window air conditioners, split air conditioners, and portable air conditioners. Unfortunately, it doesn't use with central air units. So this is a voice activated. You can say goodbye to the bulky traditional remote control. It does have an app, and this is how you download the app. You just put your phone over with the camera and it will scan up and open up into Chrome. So here's the device itself. So right here is where the power cord goes. It just says remove this thin film. And then you have the base. So the base is magnetized, so it will magnet to the front of this faceplate. And it does have a cutout at the bottom, and that cutout is for the power cord. It does come with a power cord, and it does also come with a block. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a portable power bank. So you do get the block, which is right here, and you also have the USB to a Type-C. So the USB plugs into the power block, and the Type-C goes into the back of the device itself. So I like the fact that it does activate by voice activation with Google or Alexa. So you don't have to be running around looking for a remote control. You can use your phone. So this is programmable with a Wi-Fi IR blaster. It is automatically adjust to indoor environment and at different times of the week according to your habits and schedules. It also has geofencing, activating the air condition from other remotely controlled devices before you arrive and shut them off. So this is more like the smart hub. So right here on the back you do have a power plug which goes into the Type-C. So we're going to grab the wire right here and we're going to put it in the back, and it does have this cutout here at the bottom so it doesn't get stuck with the back of the plate. So we're just going to go and put that in there. So we just slide it right in there and then let it hang it down. And then you put the other part of the wire, which is the Type-C, you will put it in the back of the base. So you just grab your Type-C, pull it through the base all the way down, and then it should automatically connect to the base. The base is magnetized, so it will hold it in place. It will not fall down, as you can see as soon as I get the other one. You do get an extra magnetized with a 3M tape. So as long as you move the cable out of the way, it should automatically stick just like that. And then for demonstration purposes, I'm going to connect this to a power bank block. Alright, so now we're going to remove this film before use, and then once you do that and you connect it into your power source, you should see the current temperature as well as the humidity. Alright, so now we have it connected to a power source, and right now it's going to detect the temperature and the humidity. So this is set automatically to Celsius. But in order to change that, you'll need to go through the settings. In order to go through the settings, you have to download the app, which is in the instructions manual. You just take a picture of it, and then there will be a website to pop up. So right now we're going to take a picture of this. You just scan it. Once you scan it, it'll bring up to a Chrome page, and then that will give you the options to download the app. So right now I'm just going to go on my iPhone, and then it says it's the Woox Home. We're going to click on Get. Now I got to double click this to accept it. And then once you install that, you will set this up. It did take me a little bit. It is super easy. You just got to make sure that you connect to it. But before you do that, you do get a little SIM card puncher hole out on the side of this device, on the right side, you want to reset it before you actually connect it. So then you'll have to register. So I'm going to go ahead and register, which I already did. It's going to ask for your location. So I'm just going to go and allow that. So now it's asking for the location. You're going to click on continue, and I'm going to add the location. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. So right now it's going to scan to make sure it can find that. But before you get to this step, you want to make sure that you reset the device. That way it will make the setting up super easy. Alright, so now that we have it connected, it has the device name right here. We're going to click on done. So you'll want to go into the settings. So right now it's showing me a 28.6 Celsius. So we do not run on Celsius. And then here in the settings, you can connect to Alexa, you can connect to Google Home. You have other options right here. This one here is not required as an update because it already has the latest firmware. But if you want to click on that, so it'll automatically update as soon as it has updates, and you can check your devices. You'll go back, and then you have other sections right here. So you can add appliance. So you've got TVs, stereos, you've got set-top boxes. They have other options down here you can choose from. You can even use a security camera on this device as long as it has Bluetooth. You can run all your Bluetooth cameras and stuff from this device directly, but you want to make sure that you are connected to its network. And then like the humidity right here, so I want to go down and change that. So you can check the temperature by day, month, or year. So then you got the settings right here. You can change the temperature. So we're going to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you can see that right now it just changed it. You can go from temperature alarm as well as humidity alarm. You can set those. And then you'll go in back into the settings. So here's the control. It shows me an 82.9 Fahrenheit at 47.1% humidity. You can see that it is on my phone as well as it is on this little display. So if you want to add a device, you've got AC, TV, receiver, set-top box, TV box, CD, DVD, VCR, audio, AV, you got projector, you've got fan, air purifier, and humidifier. So, and then you got a DIY. So we're going to go up here and go into AC. Mine is a Winter. So I want to see if they have it. So mine has a no display keypad. So we're going to click on TV. See, and then it'll give you brand names under TV. So you'll scroll down from A to Z. We're going to go back into AZ. We're going to click on, mine does not have any display on the pad. So we're going to scroll down to Winter, which is all the way down to W. So we're in D's right here. I did notice they did have GEs. So we're going to go and scroll down. They've got Daywood, Dakin, Danby. You've got Electrox. And then you got all these ones, Fiji. You've got General Electric. You've got Hair. They've got a lot of these. Honeywell, Kilon, Copper, Magnavox, Maytag. So we're just going to scroll all the way down to W for Winter. That's what my portable air conditioner is. You have Toshiba. And then these are the only Whirlpool Wind Chaser. So it does not have mine, so I unfortunately cannot connect my wireless one. But it does have a display right here, so if you do have any split unit or a portable air conditioner that is under those names, it should work just fine. But being that I cannot set up my air conditioning unit, I'm going to set up my TV, so I'm going to click on TV. Again, you'll have a list of names of your TV. You just scroll down to the name of your TV. Mine, which is Samsung, so I'm going to scroll all the way down to Samsung. Unfortunately, the letters on the side does not work. I try to do that, but you just click on Samsung. You point this at your device. Once you point it at your device, it should power on. So I'm just waiting for that to move. And then I'm going to push the power button. And there you can see it does power on my TV. And then again, I'm going to power it off. So this is a really nice unit. You can work with any Bluetooth devices. If you have a split unit or if you have a portable air condition unit that is under the name of the list, you would definitely start working. This is a great little device if you're looking for a smart home device to power up all your devices that uses Bluetooth, including your split device or your portable air condition. I would highly recommend checking this one out. I like the fact that it does have a magnetic base, so it stays in place. You can use a power brick, or you can actually use the block that it comes with it. I would definitely say check this one out.